Hey everybody, how's it going? Almost to spring break. This is the last week, so we're just doing another little unit on basketball. We've been having a great time here. I hope you're learning some things and trying some things out. So again, going through the lesson, do the superhero warm-up, pick whatever you'd like, and have fun doing it. The workout is pretty fun. It's called Which is Funnier. It has all these different animals and creatures and different things that you can do.
Which is fun.
All right. Then I have different shooting games if you want to shoot. We have sock shooting if you want to stay inside, and we have around the world if you want to go outside. Or just go out and get some shots up or pretend to shoot into a basket, whatever you want. There's many different ways to try to practice it, but enjoy the time. It's a lot of fun. So enjoy your spring break in the sun. Hopefully it's warm like it's been, and we will talk to you later as I am in the middle of that. Let's get this up. There we go. Take care, and I will see you later.